Hey everyone! The Marshall Bromley 450 represents a more accessible entry into Marshall's growing lineup of large format party speakers, sitting just below the more powerful Marshall Bromley 750. Rather than trying to reinvent the formula, the Bromley 450 refines it by focusing on portability, long battery life, and a balanced sound profile, all while retaining the brand's unmistakable retro-inspired aesthetic. From a design standpoint, the speaker feels unmistakably Marshall. It adopts a boxy, rugged silhouette wrapped in water-based PU leather, giving it that classic amplifier-inspired look, while also aligning with more sustainable materials. The front is dominated by a stamped metal grille that adds both durability and visual identity, while the TPU-reinforced corners provide extra protection against bumps and knocks. On top, physical tactile controls offer a practical advantage, allowing quick adjustments without relying on apps, which becomes especially valuable in loud or crowded party settings. Despite being positioned as the more compact option, the Bromley 450 still delivers a surprisingly expansive sound experience. Its multi-directional driver setup enables 360-degree audio output, meaning sound disperses evenly in all directions rather than projecting forward like a traditional speaker. This makes it particularly effective for outdoor gatherings or larger indoor spaces where people are spread out. The tuning leans toward a crowd-pleasing profile, with strong bass presence that adds energy to music, clear mids that keep vocals and instruments well-defined, and detailed highs that prevent the sound from feeling muddy. Portability is another area where the Bromley 450 strikes a thoughtful balance. While it is not a small speaker by any means, the integrated grip makes it easier to carry, and its relatively more compact form compared to the Bromley 750 makes it more practical for transport. The IP55 rating ensures resistance against dust and splashes. Battery performance is one of its standout features. With over 40 hours of playback on a single charge, the speaker is clearly built for extended use, whether that means an all-day event or multiple sessions without needing to recharge. This feature, shared with the Bromley 750, adds a level of flexibility that is rare in this category. The lighting system further enhances the party atmosphere. With 3-stage presets, users can choose between a more subtle ambient glow or dynamic lighting that syncs with the music. While lighting effects are often seen as gimmicky, here they feel well integrated and purposeful, especially for social gatherings where visual ambiance plays a role in the overall experience. Another practical strength of the Bromley 450 is its versatility in input options. The inclusion of 2 combo input ports for microphones or instruments opens the door for more interactive use cases, such as karaoke sessions, small live performances, or impromptu jam sessions. This transforms the speaker from a passive playback device into an active part of the event, making it more engaging and multifunctional. At a price point of around €649, the Bromley 450 sits firmly in the premium segment of party speakers. In everyday use, the Bromley 450 feels like a carefully considered product that prioritizes practicality without sacrificing personality. It captures the essence of Marshall's heritage while adapting it to modern needs, offering a speaker that is as comfortable at a backyard gathering as it is at a casual live performance. For users looking for a durable, stylish, and versatile party speaker with strong battery life and immersive sound, it stands out as a compelling and well-executed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.